Do you dance? You look like a good dancer.
I can dance.
Dance together. Come on, please.
You stay on my mind, think about you all the time. Got to get to know you well. If you kiss, then I will tell. You stay on my mind, think about you all the time. Got to get to know you well. If you kiss, then I will tell. You stay on my mind, think about you all the time.
So as you saw in the introduction, this is a pretty bright light. For its size, it should not be this bright. But due to its Osram lamp inside, this can output so much more power than an LED engine could. The light comes with a user manual, a 1-year warranty card, a bracket, a PowerCon cable, and a DMX cable. And why I love this light so much is even though it is really compact, it offers a lot of features. It offers an 8-facet prism, a frost filter, it offers a global wheel and a color wheel. On the back of the unit, there are 3-pin DMX in and through, a fuse, and a PowerCon in and through. So you can daisy chain signal and power. I also really like that this light comes with a 1-year warranty card. There are actually 4 ways you can control this fixture. First is DMX. You can connect a controller straight to the fixture and control it through your console or software. The second way is an auto function where the light just kind of does whatever it wants and it just kind of looks pretty, but you can't really control where it goes, what speed it goes, and to which color it goes. The third option is using sound mode. Inside of this fixture, there is a microphone which reacts to sounds and goes to certain cues on the beat. And the fourth way is by simply putting your light at one specific point. You can do that without a DMX controller, just by going to settings and selecting all the presets you want. So there have been a few events that I've used this light in, and both of them were private events. The first event was a birthday party, and I didn't really want to go vlogging around like montaging everything, so I captured a few shots of people dancing. There were a few dancers, a few dance teachers, and I wanted to light up their faces, so I used the Betopper light with a frost filter to light up their faces, and it looked amazing. However, there weren't that many people at this party, so the dance floor kind of looked a bit empty, which was a bit of a bummer. On this other event, I also used the Betopper light as a front light because this venue didn't provide a dedicated front light, so I needed to use some type of front light, and the Betopper worked amazingly. And I had a little more time, so I made a montage. Enjoy! So what I showed you right now was like at 25%, and this would be 100. To be honest, the Betopper 9R is an amazing beam and wash. Even though it is a bit loud, if you have music playing or you have it high up, you definitely won't be able to hear it. This is my personal opinion about the light, and with that being said, enjoy the rest of the video.
you.